Welcome to MyEKC. Companies who run their business utilizing MyEKC come to believe that leadership is clarity of vision and clarity of communication. That leadership starts with an idea, a desire to take something ordinary and make it extraordinary. Then add the ability to clearly share that vision and clearly communicate expectations. Finally, have the capacity to make it so clear and so real that people want to be part of this journey. MyEKC facilitates this type of leadership for companies that want to be extraordinary. The vision keeps expanding, the business keeps growing, and innovation is never ending. MyEKC uses direct text and email communication. Speed of understanding and implementation become a competitive advantage for companies using MyEKC. Employee understanding and then acceptance of written processes that MyEKC facilitates is the path to clarity. MyEKC exists because just being told what to do is no longer good enough, because documents in binders or stored in shared document folders is no longer good enough. MyEKC is a cloud-based application with each employee having their own unique login to access only the information that pertains to them. Access to MyEKC functionality differentiates between the individual, the manager, the admin user, or an associate. Through MyEKC, the vision shapes the business, while the business begins to serve the lives of its people. MyEKC can track progress and enable the setting and implementation of business and personal goals. To be extraordinary, the buy-in of a company's vision cannot be negotiable. Each employee agrees to and accepts their individual or group processes. MyEKC can track buy-in or any employee concerns, creating an environment where misunderstandings and miscommunications are detected well before they cost time, money, or customers. In a MyEKC business, clearly defined expectations, an organizational structure, and individual responsibilities are essential. MyEKC links each user to a position or multiple positions within an organization. MyEKC positions and department functionality create a company structure that builds the organization with a head of company on top and clear lines of responsibility. A business who runs on MyEKC will communicate how they expect the work to be done by creating written processes. A successful MyEKC run business will create them, operate them, evaluate them, innovate them, and repeat. Imagine business frustrations resolved one at a time by creating processes that are results-oriented, clear, understood, accepted, and followed. Processes help perfect the business, taking it from ordinary to extraordinary. Using MyEKC cloud-based technology, processes are created and updated in real time and can be electronically accepted by the individual or group of individuals responsible for operating them. This functionality allows a business to add images, tables, or any stored document files to processes as well. What does it mean to be part of an organization? What should an employee expect? What is the culture? MyEKC clearly communicates culture and shared policies and employee benefit information by using the employee handbook functionality. Here, policies and procedures are securely stored, can be electronically accepted, and always accessible. Through MyEKC, leadership can communicate to the entire organization instantaneously. Organizations can immediately respond to a crisis, set a new strategic or tactical direction, thread their culture, clarify their vision, promote a win, and recognize excellence, utilizing the company announcement feature as the ultimate and immediate communication vehicle. Watch a business evolve from people-driven to system-driven by utilizing the MyEKC task and cross-training features. Manage priorities and keep track of progress using reports. The goal of every MyEKC run business is to create something better, a business that works better than their competition. This takes a single-minded commitment and resolve. It takes a commitment to set aside time, business development time to perfect the idea, time to create the vision, and leadership dedicated to clear communication. The purpose of MyEKC is to build a workplace where every employee knows what is expected, how to achieve the expected results, and willingness to take ownership of their work. Companies who run on MyEKC come to believe that leadership is clarity of vision and clarity of communication. Imagine a business that works so well it has time to work on the business, not in the business. Imagine a business that provides clarity of expectations. Through MyEKC, all of this is within the organization's control, as MyEKC exists to support ordinary businesses that choose to do things in extraordinary ways. MyEKC is the path to freedom. Freedom from continually worrying about the business and freedom to live our lives.